Wireless RGB LED dimmer switch. LED dimmer switch for easy dimmer receiver. Designed for use with the wireless LED 4-channel easy dimmer receiver, this wireless LED dimmer switch fits in standard wall switch boxes and provides on and off control, as well as fixed levels of dimmability. Double-clicking the knob switches between dimmer and RGB control. The dimmer knob transmits an RF signal to the wireless receiver from up to 300 feet away in open air. Single press. Turns light on and off. Double press. Increases or decreases brightness until you release. Turning LED on will remember the last memory position. Left-right movement. During color mode, scrolls through RGB light strip colors. During dimming mode, controls LED brightness level. Hold press. Increases light to max brightness.